The 2018 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the New Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.